It's raining here in Brooklyn today, so I thought it might be a good day to do a product review. I am a big fan of Amazon services. Amazon Prime, I've been using that for years. Amazon Prime Now, which I've been using for about a year. Once we moved to New York, we started using that service because they have it here. You know, you can get groceries delivered within 2 hours, and they've got a pretty good selection, especially with the acquisition of Whole Foods. You can check that video out and take a look at it. Hopefully it'll help you understand more about Amazon Prime. Prime Now is the service for 2-hour shopping, and but I've never actually used one of their devices. I saw the commercials for Alexa at the Super Bowl. I didn't go to the Super Bowl, but you know what I mean. So anyway, got a recent gift as an early birthday present, the Echo Dot. And in this video, I'm going to unbox it here for the first time and show you it as I'm seeing it. And we did play around with one of these at my parents' house. They had one, but I wasn't sure as far as setup time, you know, how that goes. It's got to be fairly easy. I mean, it's about the size of a hockey puck. I mean, how difficult could it be? But I'm going to open it now. So like I said, this is about the size of a hockey puck. It even kind of looks like a hockey puck. You can see there, it's you know, it's black, circular, fits in the palm of your hand. It's pretty lightweight. I got some protective coverings over it here. Try and get through this. It's just the standard wrapping they put on these electronic type devices now. So the first thing I kind of notice about it, it's got a microphone, a plus and a minus sign, and then a little dot there. So I'm not real sure what all that's about. There's a place to plug in a USB, looks like a micro USB, as well as some sort of power source, and of course says Amazon on it. But that's the device itself. Looks like we've got some instructions here. Yeah, the little dot button there, that button it says is the action button. So we'll take a look at that in a minute. Let's see what else is in the box. It's got a guide here with some recommendations on things to ask Alexa. Here's the your standard micro USB cable, and it's pretty lengthy. It feels fairly sturdy, so whether I use that for this or something else, that'll come in handy. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. Also included is a power brick. I don't think these are rechargeable. They might be. We'll find out. It's an Amazon charger, single USB port. I'm sure it's sturdy. Let's take a look here. Plug in the micro USB cable into the power outlet. I'm actually going to plug this into my computer at the moment. Okay, so it looks like that's going to work. The blue ring is circling now. And according to the instructions, the next thing to do is to download the app to your phone. And I believe the app is the Alexa app.
Hello. Your Amazon Echo Dot is ready for setup. Just follow the instructions in your Alexa app.
Okay, so I'm going to download the Alexa app and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the app loaded here, and I'm just going to go ahead and start it. I'm hoping these two will sync automatically. It's wanting me to turn on Bluetooth. So I'll turn Bluetooth on. And I'll just sign in here. Okay, so I've got my login credentials already set. Connect your device to Wi-Fi and learn how to use your device. So it looks like they've got a pretty good beginner setup. This is the Echo Dot. Let's see that. Okay. This is your standard information. Enter in your, your language and things like that. It says make sure you're plugged in. Light will turn orange. Do you see the orange light ring? Well, yes, we do. Alright, now it's wanting to go to the Wi-Fi settings on the iPhone and select the network of the format Amazon XX. Okay, so it looks like it's wanting us to connect via Wi-Fi to the Echo. Let's see. All right, I'm guessing it's this one that says Amazon LUT.
You've connected to Echo Dot. Go ahead and finish the setup in your Alexa app.
Okay, good. Okay, this is now connecting Echo to my home Wi-Fi. All right, setup complete.
Connected to Ben's iPhone. Now that you're paired, next time just say, connect my phone.
All right, that sounds like a good start. Looks like I'm almost out of battery on my phone. It's always something to charge, right? Okay. Okay, so the installation's complete. I have the app on my phone. The device is plugged into a power source, and Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are all synced together. So I'm going to try and do a first request from Alexa and see what we get. Alexa, what time is it?
It's 5:35 p.m.
That's what I wanted to hear. All right, so there's a lot of things you can do with this device, and they give you a little guide here, to get you started, some things to ask it. And, there's a way to hook this up to your smart home. If you have, smart home software and hardware, as far as sprinklers and locks and TVs and lighting, things like that, that would be really cool. I tried that about 10 years ago with a device called X10. Not sure if that company's still in business or not. They had some pretty neat products, but it was a little archaic setting up the hardware, almost a decade ago. Alexa, what are your skills?
Here are 3 of the most popular skills. First is Reuters TV, US. Up-to-date news from Reuters TV. Would you like to give it a try?
Yes.
Here's Reuters TV, US from the news category. I've added Reuters TV, US to your flash briefing. To hear it, just say, "What's my flash briefing?" To manage your content, go to the Alexa app, tap on Settings, then select Flash Briefing.
Alexa, tell me a joke.
Knock knock. Who's there? Justice. Justice who? Justice once. I wish you'd laugh at my knock knock joke.
Corny. She's got to work on that. Alexa, sing me a song.
Take me out to the ball game. Take me out with the crowd.
Alexa, stop. So that's the command you use to get it to stop whatever she's doing. And we ran into this when we were playing with it at my parents' house, the one that they have. And it's interesting. I think the developers are reading, they're writing content for audio now. And if you listen to Gary Vaynerchuk, he says audio is where it's going. And I can see that. I mean, if you can get up in the morning and say, Alexa, tell me the news. I guess that part hasn't been set up yet. I was waiting on her to tell me the news. Anytime you say Alexa, the light goes blue. Alexa, stop. So this brings up another point is, privacy. That toothpaste is already out of the tube. That's for a different video. But anyway, there's a lot you can ask of this device, and I'm excited to kind of play around with it and find out what all you can do. She sang me happy birthday when I was at my parents' house, which was pretty cool. And we have this thing we do that my mom likes doing called the birthday bear that she does for all the little kids and even the teenagers and really the adults too. I'm hoping that Alexa will take over and be the preferred audio portion of our birthday events, because the birthday bear is a little strange. Okay, so there's going to be some more customization on the Alexa app, and I'll have to set all that up. But the initial out of the box, within 10 minutes you can have it up and going. Alexa, what is the weather in New York City?
In New York, there's a coastal flood warning in effect Sunday, September 9th, 8 p.m. to Monday, September 10th, 1 p.m. The current weather is 59 degrees Fahrenheit with showers.
Alexa, stop.
Night.
Alexa, what is the path of Hurricane Florence?
Hurricane Florence is currently developing. Here's the latest weather alert from the National Hurricane Center. NOAA Hurricane Hunter finds Florence strengthening, forecast to become a major hurricane on Monday. As of 39 minutes ago, Hurricane Florence is a Category 1 storm, with a wind speed of 85 miles per hour.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, what movies are showing?
Here are a few movies playing near you today. Crazy Rich Asians, The Nun, Peppermint, The Meg, Christopher Robin, and Searching.
Alexa, stop.
Would you like to hear more movies?
No. So, right out of the box, it will respond to some simple commands. If you want it to play your playlist off your phone, or you want it to control your smart home, your sprinklers and all that, you'll have to set that up in the customization features of the app. I'm looking forward to digging into it and finding out what else you can do. Specifically with playlist, ideally for me, if I can wake up in the morning and it have me, if I can get it to tell me everything that I might normally look at my phone for or look on my laptop for, that's information that I can get while I'm getting ready or getting up and getting coffee, things like that. And then also play music from my favorites list. I think it's probably connected to Amazon Prime Music, which I also have service with. That comes with Prime. And so yeah, I'm going to dig into it. I'll probably do a secondary video in a week or so after I've had a chance to play with it and really dig into the features. If you've got an Echo Dot or one of the higher end devices, leave a comment below and let me know how you're enjoying it, what you find most useful. There seems to be a novelty factor of it of, hey, it's voice recognition and it will respond to you almost like your own private assistant. And then there's the functionality that gives you something useful, which will be giving you some time back. If you don't have to go to your phone or you don't have to log on to your computer to get information, that's valuable. If you want to subscribe, you can. I feel like I'm supposed to say that this wasn't a, what do they say? This is not a, nobody paid me to say any of this. It's not that it's not a promotional video. This is not an endorsement of the product or anything like that. I don't think I have enough followers for that to be an issue, but Casey Neistat says it, so I'm going to start saying it. That's it, and hope everybody has a good weekend. Be careful and safe out there with the hurricane if you're on the East Coast, especially any friends I have in South Carolina.